Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to find the reset option for Quick Assist on Windows 11. If Quick Assist is not working correctly, resetting the app can sometimes help restore it to its default state. First, open the Windows settings. You can do this by clicking the Start button and selecting Settings. Now from the left side, click Apps. Next, select Installed Apps. At the top, you will see a search box. Click inside the search box and type Quick Assist. Now find Quick Assist in the list. Once you find it, click the three dots next to Quick Assist. From the menu, select Advanced Options. A new page will open with several settings for the Quick Assist application. Scroll down slowly until you find the Reset section. Here, you will see the Reset button. The Reset option can restore Quick Assist to its default state and may remove the app's saved data. For this tutorial, we are only going to show the Reset option. Click Reset once to show the confirmation message. Windows may display a warning explaining that the app data will be deleted. We are not going to confirm the reset in this video. Simply close the confirmation message so that no changes are made to Quick Assist. This is useful when you want to demonstrate where the reset option is located without actually resetting the application. After closing the confirmation message, you can close the settings window. If you ever need to reset Quick Assist, you can return to this same location and confirm the reset, and that's it. You now know how to find the Quick Assist reset option and how to check the reset confirmation without making any changes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Windows tutorials.